you have been uploading YouTube shorts and get little or no views, come closer because this video is going to change everything for you. See, a lot of YouTube shorts that you see that are going viral, they are not going viral because of luck. No. Understand the fact that it is easier to get views on YouTube shorts, but there's a difference between getting views on YouTube shorts and getting viral views. A lot of persons are monetizing their channel right now with shorts, millions of views, and that is not luck. That is because of the secret strategy they are applying right now that is helping their shorts to go viral. The way you actually upload your YouTube shorts will make the YouTube algorithm to understand your content better and help you to turn it to a trending short where a lot of persons are going to see it, leading to virality. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload your YouTube shorts the right way in 2026, which can increase your chances of getting more views, reaching the short feed, growing your YouTube channel faster, getting more subscribers, and moving closer to hitting your YouTube goal of monetization. And without further ado, let's head over to my screen, guys. So for you to get started, all you need to do is to locate your YouTube app. And for me, this is my YouTube app right here. I'm just going to click on it. Okay. So once it's opened, just look down here. Just look down here. You're going to see the plus icon. Tap on the plus icon. Okay. Once you tap on the plus icon, it's going to lead you to this interface where you can select. It's going to lead you to this interface, right? Where you can look at this place that says add. Okay. Tap on it. And it's going to open for you to select a video. Now, let's assume you want to upload this video. Let me see. Let me select a video. Let's assume I want to upload this video right here. Then click on next. Click on next. Okay. Click on done. So once you click on done, look above here. You're going to see sound. Okay. Now, one thing about this is that if you add sounds to your video, trending sounds, not just ordinary sound, trending sounds. Okay. Click on it and add trending sounds. We're going to be using sounds and we're going to be using audio. Trending sounds. Click on trending. Okay. See this one, 211 shots. You tap on it. Just send it. Okay. You tap on it and then come down here. Can click on the alphabet icon there so you can input a very catchy caption. You can write something very catchy. Please always ensure you write something very catchy because that will also contribute to catching people's attention. I can just write, wow. Wow, such a genius. Okay, you can choose any color of your choice. I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, I can just put it here and then click on next. So once you click on next, please ignore the background noise. Once you click on next, just look at this icon above here. Just look at this icon right here. You tap on the icon because that is where you can select a catchy portion. Okay, just draw it and then just draw it to ensure you get a catchy portion. Okay, ensure you catch a very catchy portion. Ensure you catch a very catchy portion, right? Okay. Ensure you catch a very catchy portion. Let me just look. Okay. 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 I think this one is catchy. I think this one is catchy enough. And then click on the icon above there, the arrow, so you can actually choose it. Select it, and then you come here, give it a very catchy portion. You can write, I found a 3-year-old genius. Okay, and by the way, this is my son. He's 3 years old. He was actually trying to build different type of things. And I just had to be patient to watch him and listen to him. Life of motherhood. Okay, as I was saying, above here, you're going to be seeing some you're going to be seeing all these things. You can see YouTube is going to suggest some hashtags for you, which you can actually use. Okay, especially if you've been on a niche, YouTube is going to suggest hashtags for you. And those hashtags, trust me, if you use them, you're going to get views. But you can also, but there are some specific short hashtags you should use for your shorts that will make it to go viral as well. Hashtags like trending shorts, okay, viral short, hashtag viral shorts. Okay, this two is enough. Then click on show more. Okay, if you come down here, you're going to see related video. Just tap on it. Tap on it. It's going to lead you to where you can select any video from your channel, and this short, once it start going viral, it is going to also promote this particular long form video. This is another way you can actually get 4,000 watch hours using YouTube Shorts, right? Now click on add your description, add your add to playlist. You can see if I tap on playlist, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have up to 4 different playlists on my channel. If you really need a playlist for you to get more views on YouTube, guys, okay, if you need a video on how to create a playlist, you can check out my channel. You can drop at the comment section and I will send it to you. Okay, click on the tag, ensure you add your tags, okay, because tags actually go a long way. And after you've done all of this, just click on ensure it is public, and then click on upload shorts. This is the simple way you can actually upload your YouTube shorts for you to go viral. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're gonna get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.